They're being Casey. Okay.
Whoa, okay.
Stop. Oh my gosh. You're harassing my panda. Poor panda.
Get him
I'll
off
save
me.
you.
He's hurting me. Oh no, hurting me.
No. This is my puppy. I've had her since I was 4.
That's a big puppy.
Here's my puppy. My squishy puppy.
That's her puppy, and she shall call him Squishy.
Her name is Puppy.
She shall call him Puppy.
Puppy Park.
Puppy Parks?
Huh?
Did you say?
her.
Oh, I said Puppy Parks.
My puppy.
That's her puppy. Don't touch her puppy.
Don't touch puppy.
Don't touch puppy. That's right. He's lazy. He's sleeping. I wore him out. You hurt puppy. I mean, panda.
Oh, Jack. I'm sorry, Jack.
This is Jack. I'm really good at playing the guitar. See? If I was a chicken wing, I'd come for you.
No.
Robbie goes, run me outside.
Oh, look at her shadow.
Come on, Panda. We don't have time for this, do we? She's mean to you. Don't come near me. Yeah, he's fat, I know. But that's the way I like him. Fat and big. And not like you.